Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, as I like to say, and thank you to all my new subscribers. As we're going to do right here, we're going to swap out the factory OEM headlights on, I need that flashlight. We're going to swap out the original factory headlights with some LEDs that will go in the back of the lawnmower here. What it is I found these on Amazon from Goodworks Tractors. Courtney is using the JDM Star Bright White. It's a model 881 LED fog light bulb that supposedly is going to be the exact replacement for the factory headlights on the John Deere X720. So let's give it a whirl and see how it looks. Fire it up first so you can see the factory headlights. These factory headlights a little bit of a backfire in the beginning. I don't know what that was about, but we'll check it out here. We'll replace one and see what it looks like. Okay, so underneath the hood is the factory headlights. DeWalt LED work light, 20 volts, very bright, from 1000 lumens, very clean. For all of you other geeks like me that like the bright flashlights, I believe with these is simply twist and turn and get out. Twist and turn, pull it out. Blooper reel. I want to break it. It feels like it's. I think what I'm going to do is get a little screwdriver to pry out the tab right here. Okay. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. See how I do if I don't break it. There's the top. Looks like it should just be able to pull right out. Or let's go like this. Alright, I'm going to shut this off so I can do it with both hands. Alright, here's the original. That's what I need to do is get both little tabs on the black side off right here and right here. Now let's replace it with one of the brand new ones. Here's the brand new one. Still has the same clips, connections on the back. 881 LED fog light bulb. It's got a little diodes on the sides and then one lamp on the front. So, without further ado, let's put it in. Alright, so now I replaced the passenger side bulb with the LED bulb, and look at the difference. The color temperature from the bulbs is very impressive. We'll see what it looks like at nighttime. I'll have my assistant turn it off now. And now, the finished product. they definitely appear much brighter. The real test will come at nighttime when it's dark. So we'll shoot some more footage of that once we get a chance. It's looking like it's going to rain out here anytime. With what kind of clouds are these, Assistant? Dark rain clouds, it appears, of some sort. The exact name I'm not sure of, but at any rate, there it is.